The 200 amp AC DC TIG Welder is a versatile machine offering 6 different welding modes, making it suitable for a range of welding tasks, from high-precision direct current welding to complex alternating current pulse welding. Featuring an intuitive large liquid crystal display, this welder allows for precise adjustments of various welding parameters, ensuring perfect results every time. Equipped with a high-efficiency cooling fan, it maintains stable output during extended sessions, preventing overheating and ensuring consistent performance. The welder delivers a strong and stable arc, providing smooth and reliable results across different materials, enhancing your welding projects significantly. Thanks to its advanced full-bridge soft-switching inverter technology, this welder is not only more efficient, but also compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. With dual voltage capabilities, this welder adapts seamlessly to both workshop and mobile environments, unlocking new possibilities for welders of all levels.